Hi, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Anastasia and I'm a Vanderbilt trained health and wellness coach. And today's video is going to be on how do you get your schedule to work for you and find balance. You might become aware of the gaps and misproportions in your daily rhythm and learn what you could do to solve this issue. As a reminder, daily rhythm and schedule is one of 8 interconnected areas on the wheel of health that has to do with balancing your life. So how do you craft a schedule that would nourish you versus feeling like a chore? Well, number 1 is identifying your priorities. What are the top 3 things that truly matter to you? Those are your 3 values. Identify them and then allow those top 3 things guide the rest of your schedule. For example, for me, my top 3 values are my self-care or self-love, self-improvement or education, and then quality time with my family. So no matter what, every day I incorporate those 3 things in my schedule to feel more in balance. Number 2, setting some blocks of time to the top 3 negotiables. And it's important to remember not to strive for perfection here, but go for what feels right for you. So that's finding balance between the rigid structured schedule and also allowing some flexibility. Because you know what, guys, when do you remember that there was something unexpected, maybe some sort of surprise, and it gave you so much pleasure? So that's the fun part of it, just allowing yourself some flexibility and not striving for perfection. For example, last weekend, I had such a busy weekend planned where I had a couple of clients. I wanted to dedicate time to myself, to read a psychology book. I wanted to spend time with my husband. And so by the time that I was done with my second client, I was toast. I was so tired. And that was the time on my schedule to spend with my husband for quality time. So we talked about going to the store to buy something for the house that we were both looking forward to. And realizing that I had no energy and approaching my husband and telling him that, hey, I have no resource right now to do this. What if we reschedule it for next weekend? And he was totally fine. And guess what? Instead, we went on a beautiful walk and we both enjoyed it. We just were like kids exploring, looking at the natural waterfalls, at the sky, at the trees. It was the most magical time. So number 3, what does your daily schedule look like? So this is where you would need to do the work. So taking a piece of paper and a pen and actually writing down everything that you've done in your day. Waking up, making coffee, taking a shower, brushing your teeth, going to work, having lunch, coming home, helping with homework, cooking dinner, all of those things. After you listed all of them, in the column next to it, writing it down if it gave you energy or if it drained your energy. And if you identified areas that draining your energy, congratulations. Now you can figure it out. What are the tweaks that you need to do in those areas? And this is how you would dance through the daily schedule with ease after doing some work, of course. And so I'm looking forward to hearing your stories. Maybe you have found, if any, perfect balance in your daily schedule that are leaving you fulfilled. And next week we will be talking about relationships more in detail. So I can't wait to see you all, guys. Thank you.